Okay, testing, testing. Okay, sound wave waving. So let's get started. Okay, now so boss, first of all, okay, I'm finally back from the trip. Okay, was kidnapped. Okay, so finally released back to Hong Kong. So after a day of rest, I think it's time to go back to chapter 23. Okay, now you see in chapter 23, okay, international trade. Oh, you will see that. This chapter is relatively bulky, okay? It means that there are actually quite a lot of past paper questions, okay? Now, but I would say this is actually a very easy chapter, okay? This is a very easy chapter, okay? If you ask me, okay, difficulty, maybe like 1.5 out of 5 star, okay? Difficulty wise, okay? Difficulty wise, like 1.5 out of 5 5 marks, okay? 嗱，非常之簡單嘅一課，但係出好多嘅，OK？嗱，that is why this is a very important chapter，OK？Because you cannot get this chapter wrong. If you get it wrong, then probably you're going to lose a star or something. OK，跌下跌下，即成支美國國旗唔見咗噶啦。OK，好嘛？嗱，so let's get started. Now, for the first video, we are going to talk about the basic concepts, okay, about the rationale for international trade, and then we talk about absolute advantage and comparative advantage, okay? 咁啊嚟呢度噃，OK 好嘛？嗱，so first of all, what are the reasons or the incentive, okay, incentive for different economies to engage in trade, okay? Obviously, you will see there are quite a lot of advantages, okay? Quite a lot of reasons, okay? This one, basically, this is the principle of comparative advantage。我哋下次先講，好嘛？嗱，呢個基本上就係 principle of comparative advantage 啊。OK，好嘛？And then some economies they may be unable to be self-sufficient。OK，好嘛？例如你見啊，water in Africa or let's say here，coffee in Hong Kong。嗱，香港就冇咖啡豆嘅。OK，咁於是點啊？We need to buy coffee beans from others. OK, needs to be imported. Wider variety of products. OK，係咪？Wider variety of products. OK, we want to have more choices of goods. OK, improving technology. OK, basically importing technology。我哋攞人哋唔止攞隻 goods 嘅，想學佢嘅 technology 嘅，好嘛？Introducing competition in local market and of course we have diplomatic reasons。OK，嗱呢啲唔詳細講啦，but do not skip these。你唔好 skip 咗呢啲啊，because these remember may be in your essay type of question。OK，有機會出 essay 㗎，你唔好就咁 skip 咗佢啊，好嘛？好啦，嗱呢個唔講啦，自己睇咯，我唔嘥時間啦。OK，好嘛？嗱。Then, to begin our journey with international trade, we first need to deal with two terms, okay? Two terms. One is called absolute advantage, which is this one, not very important, honestly, okay? Second is called comparative advantage. This is the most important when it comes to this chapter, okay? 係咪啊？原來講 international trade 最緊要嘅係 comparative advantage 啊。OK，好嘛？嗱，let's take a look at the definitions of absolute advantage and comparative advantage。OK，好嘛？好啦，呢度你見啦。嗱，the first one absolute advantage。We say a country or no。This one 啊，呢唔好攞 country 呢啲字啊，呢啲字係62717啊，hit this one，OK，62717，OK。So here when an economy，我哋應該叫一個經濟體系。Okay, when an economy has absolute advantage over another economy, I'm so sorry. Okay, 係嘛？即係唔好亂咁寫 country 啊。OK，唔好亂咁寫 country 啊。OK，another economy。OK，another economy 查錯咗添，so sorry。OK，I suck。OK，係嘛？over another economy in producing a product, it means that it can produce a larger quantity with the same amount of resources。或者第二個講法啦。OK，same amount of goods, okay, with fewer resources, okay，用少啲嘅資源嚟到去整同樣嘅 goods，或者啦，用同樣嘅資源整多啲 goods 啦。 OK，好嘛？This is absolute advantage. OK，this is absolute advantage. OK，好嘛？Now let's take a look at some a numerical example. Numerical example 啊，唔好意思啊，打錯位啊，佢打錯位呢度，好嘛？It should be on the next page. OK，好嘛？Here, assume both country A and country B has one unit of resources。已經講明啦，大家只有一格嘅 resources。OK，大家只有一個 unit of resources。And only goods they produce are food and goods. OK，好嘛？Now by spending one unit of resources, what they can do？我哋望望啦。The next page, the next page. OK, by spending one unit of good resources, country A can produce 20 food. OK, 20 food, while country B can only produce 5 food. OK, for soups. OK, country A can produce 40, while B can produce 8 only. OK，好啦，嗱，原來你咁睇嘅。We look at food and we look at soups. OK, so here for absolute advantage, let's take a look. Country A can produce 20 food, while country B can produce 5 food only. 好啦，見唔見到啊？ Here, country A is producing more food. So here, A has absolute advantage in producing food. OK， 掂唔掂？係咪？原來佢啦，produce food. OK, then A using one piece of resources, OK, can also produce 40 suits, while country B can produce 8 suits. OK， 嗱，見唔見到又係喎，40對8。A has absolute advantage in producing SUS。見唔見啊？原來 country A 啦，probably because they have better technology，應該佢技術好啲啊。They can produce more food and more SUS，OK，係咪啊？More food and more SUS at the same time，係咪？佢可以同一時間啦，兩個做多啲啦。So this is what we call absolute advantage，OK，absolute advantage。Now what about comparative advantage？OK，again 嗱又係啦，你明啦呢個好嗎？This one。An economy，OK，如果唔係62717啦，好嘛？Over another economy，OK，comparative advantage in producing a product. It means they can produce the product with a lower per unit opportunity cost in terms of another product。即係咩意思啊？原來 absolute advantage 係做得快啲，而 comparative advantage 係做得平啲。This is faster. This is cheaper. OK, faster, cheaper. OK，好嘛？原來啦，所以 international trade we are more concerned with who can make the goods cheaper. OK，好啦，which means numerically speaking. OK，this one. OK，this one. 好嘛？好嗱，跟住佢點做咧？What about comparative advantage? Okay, let me introduce you to you a very useful table。我哋嚟一個非常之好用嘅 table 啦，好嘛？A very useful table。Again，嗱，this one I put it as the most stupid way。係咪？我用一個最基本、最白痴嘅方法，你識做係唔使咁做嘅。But in case we don't want to we do not want to have any let's say accident，OK，accident，OK 啊，唔係喎，唔好住，呢度唔好住，係嘛？呢度唔好住，好嘛？好啦，我哋諗個 logic 先。For country A，let's start with country A，OK，so basically here country A with one resources，即係咩意思啊？呢度啦，原來啦，20F equals to one resources equals to 40 SUS。OK，咁即係咩意思啊？原來啦，嗱，我將呢句變成英文俾你睇啊。OK，for every 20 units of food. Okay, country A will give up 40 units of shoes. OK， 原來每做20件 food 就係放棄緊40個 shoes because they are using the same 1 unit of resources. OK， 好嘛 ？So what does that mean? It means that it means that here 嚟啦噃。So here for country A, the opportunity cost of 1 unit of food OK， 即係等於幾多啊？20個 20個 food 40個 shoes 啊嘛。OK，so per food 而家啦，其實你見啦20 40，其實可以點啊？I can here divided by 20 divided by 20係咪？其實可以呢度啦。So here is 40 shoes divided by 20。OK 係咪？而家啦，我想知道一個 unit 啊嘛，1 unit of food，so divided by 20 is actually 2 units of shoes. Okay, 好嘛 ？So here, opportunity cost of 1 unit of shoes. Okay, 1 unit of shoe. Okay, here 嗱，既然呢個40啦 ，so we use 20 divided by 40，將呢個變成1啊嘛，咁即係呢個除40啦，係嘛？0.5 units of food。好嘛 ？So these are the opportunity costs of the per unit opportunity cost for country A for food and shoes. Okay, now what about country B？ 同樣道理啦。For country B, again here, 5 food equals to 1 resource equals to 8 shoes. OK， 好啦，即係將佢譯翻做英文啦。Here for every 5 units of food, country B will give up 8 units of shoes. OK， 係咪呢個英文就係咁啦 ？Therefore, the opportunity cost of 1 unit of food 同樣道理啦。呢個本身5 unit 啊嘛，8啊嘛，呢度除翻5咯 ，will be 8 divided by 5 equals to 1.6 units of shoes. While here, 1 unit of shoe will be just the opposite. 5 divided by 8, 0.675 units of food. 好啦，嗱，即係咩意思啊？見唔見啊？原來 comparative advantage 我哋係打橫睇嘅，一個absolute 打直 ，comparative 打橫。So here now, if you remember the definition, we can make the product cheaper. So let's compare. For 1 unit of food, country A will give up 2 units of shoes, while country B would give up 1.6 units of shoes. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that country B here, they have a comparative advantage in producing food. 係咪做 food 而家係要放棄少啲 shoes 啊？ Okay, while for country A, do you see 0.5 unit of food versus 0.675? So here, country A have a comparative advantage in producing shoe. 係咪啊？佢整鞋平啲啦。OK， 好嘛？ So this is how we calculate comparative advantage and absolute advantage. OK， 嗱 very funny， 你見到啦，我哋寫低一樣嘢啦。You can see that just now for absolute advantage, it is totally possible to have an absolute advantage in both goods. 可以兩個 goods 都中晒 係可以嘅，OK，in both goods 兩個得。While for comparative advantage，OK，have comparative advantage in one good only。你永遠只可以係一隻 good 嘅啫，唔可以兩隻 good 都有 comparative advantage 嘅。OK，好嘛？You can have absolute advantage in both goods, but you cannot have comparative advantage in both goods. You can only have in one good. Okay, 好嘛？So this is the basic idea of absolute advantage and comparative advantage. Okay, 好嘛？So the next video, we're going to look at a very important principle. We call the principle of comparative advantage. Okay, 好嘛？Then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.